Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is a family inside room. I'm going to take you through the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on hardtravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value. Now let's tour the space. Now as you walk in to the left side here, you're going to have the full bed. Now it's together in one of the large configurations. It can separate apart into two twins if you prefer. Either way, you've got plenty of space underneath for storage, and if they were separated, the nightstands would move to the middle to give you that extra separation. I also love that they put USB chargers on either side of the bed right in those lights so you can charge your device overnight. Now on this side here, you're going to find a bit of storage. You'll find your safe just behind. Perfect size for a passport or a wallet. And then you have a European plug here, several drawers. And then as I open this up, you're going to find your hanging storage. Now it goes all the way back there. The bar will also pull down for even more storage. Then you have a little up above as well. Now you'll find your flat panel TV here. It can angle at the couch or at the bed. Fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You've got some nooks for storage here, and then just underneath you're going to find your mini fridge. You have another Euro plug and a US plug there. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You have a little stool that will pull out, and you can sit here and utilize this as a vanity to get ready. Now on this side over here, you're going to have a nice large sofa. This does fold out into two more beds, so you can put two here, two on this, and in certain cases there's a Pullman style bed so you can actually put a fifth passenger in the room. You're going to have storage here, so you've got shelves all the way up and down, and then directly across you're going to find more hanging storage, more drawers, and then a shelf up above as well. If you're going to have the full family, you're going to have plenty of room for storage. You have a couple coat hooks and the temperature controls. Now let's step into the bathroom. Now as you step in, you've got a decent amount of space here on the vanity, storage up and down, toilet tucked just behind. You're going to find your hair dryer here and the shower. Now it's not a huge shower. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I can fit in here, but I usually shower with the shower curtain open. It's fine the way that this is designed there. You've got your adjustable shower wand up and down, and then your amenities just below. Now keep in mind if you're looking to upgrade to a higher category all the way up to the suites, we have those on our channel as well for you to consider. And either way, when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Norwegian, Oceania, and Regent, make sure you do it right on hardtravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.